sister girl here, back from a 2-week holiday vacation and ready to get back to line dancing with my group and my students in Gwinnett County, Georgia at Rose Jordan Park. We got back to class just yesterday, Wednesday, and we did the dance called Perspective that was choreographed by Cessily, Greene, and this is the tutorial walkthrough. But before I get started, I want to say thank you for supporting me in 2022. I hope you'll continue to do so in 2023. Make sure you share, make sure you tell people to visit and subscribe to the channel and learn some new line dances. And remember, this is a very beginner-friendly channel, and it's all about making sure that you learn the dance, and even if you can't, that you stay in the dance and have a good time and get active and move. All right, enough preaching. Let's get to the business of the dance. All right, it's a relatively easy dance. I'm going to start on the left foot, and I'm going to move back a little bit because I'm going to move forward with the steps. All right, so I'm going to demo. 5, 6, I start on the left. Step, back, step, back, step, back, do it again, and step, back, step, back, step, back, step, back. That move is something like we call pretty girl, when you go out and back, out and back. So think of it, when you think of it, just think of pretty girl move. So again, the move is starting on the left. Step, right, back, right, left, right, back, and do it again. Now we're going to start moving back. So we're going to start on the right because the weight's on the left. Right and back, left and back, right and back, left and back. All right? Practice that a couple of times and then add on. The next move is a reverse turn for a quarter turn. So not a half, but a quarter. And we usually call that a rock easy when you do a reverse turn. So your right foot kind of goes behind you a little bit, and you just do a quarter turn. It's like a pivot, really, okay? So if I come a little closer, check out my feet. I'm gonna give you a right side view. I put that right foot back, and I kind of just pivot 1/4 turn, all right? So we have gone back, I step back, I pivot. And once I pivot, I kind of want to do what I call a stabilized move. So it's like a little cha-cha-cha or 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, okay? With my weight on my right, I'm going to move my left to do a half turn. Step, half turn, 1, 2, 3. Just like I did when I did a quarter turn, all right? Let's take it from the beginning. 5, 6, here we go. Step, back, step, back, step, back, do it again. Step, back, step, back, step, back, step, back. Step and turn, 1, 2, 3. Step and turn, 1, 2, 3. The last part of the dance, step with the right foot, quarter turn to the left, 1, 2, 3. And with your left foot, step up, step back. And then we start all over again, moving the left foot. Step, right, back, left, back, right, left, back, right and back, left and back, right and back, left and back. Right quarter turn, 1, 2, 3. Left half turn, 1, 2, 3. Right quarter turn, 1, 2, 3. Rock up and back and start all over again. And this is how the dance goes. This is your walk back. I mean your walk through. Okay? Step, turn, 1, 2, 3. Step, half turn, 1, 2, 3. Step, quarter turn, 1, 2, 3. Rock up and back. And start all over. Okay? Practice, practice, practice makes progress. If you got any questions, put them in the comments. Check out the demo. I'll put a link and all the information in the description for you on the post. Thanks for watching. Have fun with the dance. Perspective.